When we decided to embrace intentional living, we made a choice to live slowly, to trade the noise for this silence. And in that silence, you start to hear the real music of life. It's in the soundtrack of my drive, not the radio, but the sight of buffaloes in the distance. This is a daily dose of awe, courtesy of the world right outside our car window. You see, this drive, this same path I take to run errands, it's just never a commute. It's a reminder to look up and see the giraffes moving like slow, graceful giants against the sky. To pause and watch the zebras painting their own patterns on the landscape. This is our neighborhood, the Soysambu Conservancy and Lake Nakuru National Park. It's all part of the tapestry we get to live in. And that feeling of awe, it follows you home. It settles your soul, making space for the small things. It makes you present for the simple, joyous moments, like introducing little hands to soft feathers, teaching our children that these creatures are friends, not something to fear. These aren't just chores or playtime. These are memories you can't buy.
Yeah, I'm done. We are doing.
This life, it's not about getting somewhere fast. It's about being here fully. It's intentional.
Mama, you're pouring all of it. Wait for them to come.
It's the slow, deep breath after a busy day. The bond forged over simple chores and the profound peace of appreciating the sheer beauty of creation right outside our door. Indeed, this is just magnificent. This is what purposeful living is all about. Until next time, see you.